Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is computation of 4-point DFT of a given sequence using radix 2, DIT and DIF. So let us start the problem. The given question is compute the 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0 using radix 2, DIT and DIF method. So what are the basic steps while solving a DFT using DIT or a DIF is, there are basically 4 to 5 basic steps are there. First is to write the bit reversal table, draw the flow diagram, draw the flow graph of DIF, twiddle factor calculations. So what is bit reversal process? So let us start the solution. Here the sequence length is given as 4. X of n is, it's comprising of 4 samples. This is the discrete time sequence. X of n is comprising of 4 samples. So its length is capital N is 4. Now for 4 we write it as 2 to the power 2. So this power indicates that these many bits are to be used for representing the binary number. So n is 4, so we have written the index as 0, 1, 2, 3. We have written the index and then written its binary representation 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and then done the bit reversal to find the bit reversal order, that is interchanging the bit values. So for 0, 0 it is coming 0, 0, 0, 1, on interchanging it becomes 1, 0, 1, 0 becomes 0, 1, 1, 1 becomes 1, 1. So if you look at this bit reversal order and write it in the decimal format, it's coming to be as 0, 2, 1, 3. So the natural order is 0, 1, 2, 3 and the bit reversal order is 0, 2, 1, 3 for n is equal to 4. This is a bit reversal table for n is equal to 4. So coming to DIT flow graph, you already know how to draw a DIT flow graph for n is equal to 4. For n is equal to 4, we have to draw 4 lines. Input variables are designated by small x and output variables are designated by capital X. This is first stage of flow graph comprising of 2 sets of butterflies, and the twiddle factor in DIT is placed at the starting of the second line. Its value is W2 to the power of 0, repeated 2 times, that is also known as exponent repeat factor. So here in the second stage the twiddle factor values are W4 to the power 0 and W4 to the power of 1. In DIT the input is in bit reversal order, so we get it as 0, x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. Okay, and upper line is carrying 1 and the lower line is carrying -1. This you can repeat for the complete diagram. What is x of 0 value? X of 0 value is, what is the given sequence? X of n is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0. So what is x of 0? It is 1. What is x of 2? 1. What is x of 1? 0. X of 3 value is 0. And you know, for a DIT flow graph, the butterfly diagram you are knowing. If the input variables are a and b and the twiddle factor is placed at the Wn to the power k at the beginning of the second line. So what is capital A and capital B equation? Capital A equation is coming to be as a plus b Wn to the power k, and capital B equation is coming to be as a minus b Wn to the power of k. So this is a basic butterfly diagram of DIT and their output equations. So you know the butterfly diagram, their output equation and the input values. and the 4-point DIT flow graph. Now let us start the solution, how to use it. So for this butterfly, the input values are 1 and 1. Before starting this, you have to compute what are the twiddle factor values. So here we are having 3 twiddle factors, W2 to the power 0, W4 to the power of 0, W4 to the power of 1. So first let us calculate this twiddle factors. W4 2 to the power of 0, how it is written as e to the power of minus j 2 pi k. K value is 0, capital N is 4. So it is coming to be as e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So W2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now what is the next twiddle factor? W4 to the power of 0 is equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi, k value is how much? 0. Here n value is 2, here it is 2. 0 by 4, which is coming to be as e to the power 0 is equal to 1. Next twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 1, e to the power of minus j 2 pi k, k is 1 by 4. It's coming to be as e to the power of minus j pi by 2, its value is coming to be as minus j. So W2 to the power of 0 value is 1, W4 to the power 0 value is 1, W4 to the power of 1 is equal to e to the power of minus j pi by 2, which is equal to cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So what it will come? This term becomes 0, so it will be minus j. So W2 to the power 0 is 1, W4 to the power 0 is 1, and W4 to the power of 1 value is how much? Minus j. These 3 twiddle factors we have computed. Now we have to use this DIT flow graph. The inputs here are 1 and 1 for this butterfly, and twiddle factor is W2. What is our equation here now? A plus B. What is A value? 1. So we will write it as A is 1, B is 1, Wn to the power k, that is W2 to the power of 0. What is W2 to the power of 0 value? 1. So it will come as 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. What about here? DIT output equation of lower line, A minus B Wn to the power k. A is 1, B is 1, Wn to the power k, that is Wn to the power W2 to the power 0 is the twiddle factor here. So here how much it will come? 0. So here for this output line the value is coming to be as 0. Now here for this butterfly the inputs are 0 and 0. So the upper equation is what? A plus B, 0 plus 0 W2 to the power 0. So it will come as 0. Here 0 minus 0 W2 to the power 0, it will come as 0. So now for the first stage we got the output as 2, 0, 0, 0. Now coming to the second stage, for the second stage for this butterfly, for this orange butterfly, what are the input values? 2 and 0. 2 and 0 are the input values here now for this butterfly. Okay, for this butterfly, orange butterfly, the input is 2 and 0. So what will be the output equation here? A plus B Wn to the power k. Wn to the power k value is W4 to the power 0. So it will be written as 2 plus 0 W4 to the power of 0. W4 to the power 0 is how much? 1. 0 dot 1 is 0. So it will come as 2. Now coming to this orange butterfly lower line, what is the equation? A minus B. A is 2, B is 0, W 4 to the power of 0. So 2 minus 0 is how much? 2. So for this orange butterfly, when the inputs are 2 and 0, the outputs are coming to be as 2 and 2. Now coming to this purple butterfly, the inputs are what now? 0 and 0. The inputs are 0 and 0. This, the output of the first stage will act as input to the next one. So here the inputs are 0 and 0. So how much it will be? 0 plus 0 plus 0, W4 to the power of 1, which is equal to 0. And here also for the bottom line, the equation is A minus B, 0 minus 0, W4 to the power of 1, which is equal to 0. So what are the output values now? 2, 0, 2, 0. So we got the x of k as 2, 0, 2, 0. This is the output or the DFT of the given x of n using the DIT flow graph. Now coming to DIF flow graph. So what you have understood in DIT? The input is in bit reversal order, output is in the natural. Okay, this is the DIF flow graph which you have drawn. The x of n is 1 0 1 0 in DIF. The input is in the natural order, so I have written x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and its value is 1 0 1 0 as given in the sequence 1 0 1 0. And coming to the output variables, they are bit reverse. So capital X of 0, capital X of 2, capital X of 1 and capital X of 3. In the first stage, the twiddle factors are W4 to the power 0, W4 to the power of 1. DIF flow graph is if the input variables are A and B and output are capital A, capital B and the twiddle factor is written at the last of the bottom line. So the output equation of capital A is A plus B and the capital B equation, output equation is A minus B whole multiplied by Wn to the power k. This equation you have to remember while solving this DIF flow graph. So coming to this orange butterfly, the inputs are 1 and 1 and its twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 0. The output of the upper line is A plus B, so it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and the output of the bottom line is A minus B Wn to the power k, so it is 1 minus 1 W4 to the power 0, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So for this orange butterfly, the output values are 2 and 0. Now coming to this green butterfly, the input values are 0 and 0. So the output equation of the first line is 0 plus 0, A plus B and for bottom line it is A minus B Wn to the power k. A is 0, B is 0, W4 to the power of 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. So for this green butterfly, the output values are 0 and 0. So now this output values of the stage 1 will act as input to the next stage. So it is 2 0 0 0. These are the input for these two butterflies. So the twiddle factor for this butterfly is W2 to the power 0 whose value is 1 and inputs are 2 and 0. So the output equation of the upper line is A plus B 2 plus 0 2 and for the bottom line it is A minus B, so 2 minus 0 into W2 to the power of 0. So the 2 minus 0 and this value is 1, so it will come as 2. Coming to this butterfly, inputs are 0 and 0, so A plus B 0 plus 0 is 0 and for the bottom line it is A minus B Wn to the power 0, that is W2 to the power 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0. So here the output values are coming to be as 2, 2, 0 and 0. But how do we write the final result? As it is in the bit reversal order, we have to represent x of k in the natural order. So, first is x of 0, that is 2, x of 1 value is 0, x of 2 value is 2, x of 3 value is 0. So, this is how we have to write the result for DIF from the flow graph. So, if you carefully observe these two flow graphs, DIT and DIF solutions, x of k values are coming to be same. So, what is the conclusion for the given question? The given discrete time sequence x of n is 1 0 1 0. On applying DFT, that is either by DIT, the capital X of k equation is coming to be as 2 0 2 0, and coming to DIF, x of k is coming to be as 2 2 0 2 0 2 0. So, whether it is DIT or DIF, for a given sequence the answer is same. I hope you have understood the class. So, if you carefully observe, what are the fundamental steps to be required for solving in DIT or DIF problem? First, identify the length capital N as 4, write its bit reversal table, calculate the twiddle factors involved in the flow graph and the basic butterfly diagram, their output equations, and then you can put the values of the given sequence and solve the problem. I hope the class is clear. If you have any queries, post in the comments. Good luck, students.